Today we're doing the shower, guys. Anything?
Hi friends, hi family, hi subscribers. Today we're gonna try to build a shower in a box truck. We have a nice shower base, what we ordered from Amazon. 32 by 32, pretty good size, I would say. And then we have pipes and elbows and things what we don't know. We will figure out how we need to do it. This is my very first time, and it's Ashley's very first time too. And yeah, if you're interested, come along, and we're gonna do a step-by-step video, how and what and how and not. Yeah.
Okay. Ciao. We also didn't show them the cabinets. We didn't make a full video on it, but this is how they turned out, guys. Robert's built it and we stained it. And this is how they look. They're very shiny. This is the other side.
So we have doors, and then we can open, but you see it takes a lot of space, so we can
bend it
in. We still need to split the wall here and stuff, but
yeah. This is how it looks inside. Lots of room.
Close it. We still need to put the magnets on it and stuff. The same here. The bigger door, like if I would be here, I wouldn't be able to open it like full length.
Yeah.
But now, I can easily open and get in there.
Lots of space in there too. And it's the same on both sides. And then the bottom drawer.
Bottom drawer.
We recoated the ceiling. Well, Robert's did.
It's a little bit shinier. We closed this this area. There's like lights and cables for the box truck lights, and that one is all closed up too and painted. Looks pretty nice. Yep. Something like that. So this is gonna be our shower area. Oh nice, it's actually gonna be right in there.
Yeah.
So we need to build some studs, but first we're gonna do measurements. So we just measured the hole, and we need to relocate from the bottom.
We're just measuring basically where the drain would come out and if it would be safe. If there's any
77, 78.
Oh no!
It's literally on the edge.
It's on the edge of a beam.
So that means you need to move a lot that way, or we need to twist. Okay, let's try to
Twist it, yeah.
Okay. So now that we know where the hole is going to be underneath the box truck, next step is to build a frame, and then you can put the pan in and drill the hole. So that's first thing.
If you watch the Labor Day video, you already know who Zach is.
That's right.
He's
That's
a local cast member on this show.
That's what it is. I keep this thing going.
he keeps the lights on, okay?
Jameson, Andrew Jameson.
Hey, Andrew Jameson, how's it going?
How's that Harvard Maine lifestyle, drugging your dad with psilocybin bars?
I would have.
Yeah, maybe don't put that in. But leave the high Andrew Jameson.
That's some wood if I ever saw some.
Okay. So that's 10.
10 tens.
No, those 10s. I'm not sure about 21, so we're just gonna go with this what we have.
No one knows what's happening.
It's funny, this is like your own TV show. Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome back to Robert's and Stack Build.
Oh man, like yeah, we just 1 week ago we did build a Hunter's garage. Actually, I have pictures you will see now.
Not a big deal.
Oh yeah, they did build a garage together. I forgot about
Not
that.
a big deal though.
Not a big deal.
It's the first time, but yeah, we do this all the time.
Yeah.
I actually got voted one of the best handymen in Southwestern Ontario.
Yeah, so yeah, not a big deal though.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's fine. It's just like something little,
we
you
do
know?
things for free, you know? We help our friends for free.
Yeah, I never take money.
No,
Very good.
never.
Technically. The next thing is we're gonna build a shower wall on the ground. It's gonna be easier and it's gonna be more level out. It's day 2 on a shower build.
Because yesterday we got drunk.
Yeah, I got a little shower party there. We will continue the framing, just
Fortify.
just to make it stronger frame and tighter the shower base. So we cut just the first wall, and we cut out the vent,
Yeah, we have the...
and we made a little frame around the vent too.
Yep.
So we're gonna try to fit this baby in there. Pretty good.
I would say.
So this is over, that's nice, and then the acrylic sheet's gonna go over, so it's gonna seal up, like, you know,
Yeah.
it's gonna be really, really good. Wow, I'm happy about this one. To take out the pan, drill the hole, install the drain pipe, and then we can continue with the walls, because the wall is gonna push this pan down, and so that's why we're not gonna be able to anymore to take it out. So that is very, very first thing what we will do.
Here's the water test. We will see what happens. Just a little bit of water in there. So there was a little bit of droplets, so we're gonna tighten it some more. Now we've done it again, the water test. We put like a couple liters of water in there. Don't see any moisture or any drips. So I think we're good to go.
cut the wall sheets a little bit too short. I'm gonna glue the plywood first bottom, and then the
rest.
whole wall sheet is gonna go over it. Make sure it's clean.
Look at his breathing. Look at he's so fed up. Look at looking good so far. This is the shell so far. Looks pretty good.
On next video, we're gonna do the plumbing and caulk all the corners. It's gonna be beautiful.
Comment, like, and subscribe down below, and add us on Instagram at Canadian Stealth if you want to see more info. Follow us on our journey. No, I'll do it.